Okinawan seaweed, but very healthy. Yeah.
I like working hard and a lot of food and nice people. I feel like Okinawan culture.
Very different. It was very different to see the different types of food, and
I felt like I was part of the community as we walked together and got to meet people and learn about all of the ingredients. Yes.
Katsuobushi from bonito fish. How to shape the bonito by machine today. We're going to demonstrate you. It's like a smoked duck.
It is very small, yeah.
That's the secret of love.
Then we are going to cut the pork here.
It's very healthy because it has 4 times of vitamin C and lemon. And one thing very good point is even it's heated, the vitamins doesn't break.
I had a lot of fun. I never cooked like this before. My daughter loves to cook. We wanted to be able to learn about Okinawan culture and just certain types of vegetables like goya and how to use it. And this class was extremely helpful.
That is, we can itadakimasu.
I really like this program, and if I have chance, I'm gonna join next time.
I would love to bring my friends to learn as well. I'm learning more and more, especially thanks to Taste of Okinawa.